Hey everybody, Chris here, and welcome to the Ultimate Kajabi Beginner's Guide. This guide is perfect for those people who are planning to market and sell digital products, may it be memberships, online courses, or even podcasts. So yes, you are definitely in the right place, or shall I say, the right YouTube video, as I'm going to help you get started with Kajabi. I'll include step-by-step instructions that will help be incredibly useful for beginners. But first things first, what exactly is Kajabi? Kajabi is an all-in-one platform for creating, marketing, and selling digital products. And when I say all-in-one, I mean it. Kajabi handles everything for you, from website design to email marketing campaigns for your business. This means you'll have a lot more free time to focus on other aspects of your business. So if you need help in turning your expertise into a thriving internet business, Kajabi might be the perfect solution for you. So let's get started. The very first step in using Kajabi, as with any other online platform, is to sign up. Normally, if you go through Kajabi's website, you'll get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you'll get a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also going to give you access to my full courses, Kajabi Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within that first 30 days. Kajabi offers many features, and it's easy to get lost. In my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using Kajabi in those initial days. Additionally, you'll receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. These things are worth over $900, which you'll get all that for free as a thank you for using my link because it's an affiliate link. When you use it, I do get a small commission at no cost to you, so thank you so much for using that. With that in mind, let's dive into Kajabi. The dashboard serves as your control center. You can manage every part of your digital business from here. The main menu is located on the left-hand side and includes the following options: products, sales, website, branded app, marketing, contacts, creator studio, and more. Each section has certain features and tools that help you manage your online business. Now, let's go to payment integration. It is one of the most important steps in setting up your Kajabi account because you would want to get paid for all your hard work, right? So before you start selling your digital products, you must ensure that you have done this step. You can get paid via two options, Stripe or PayPal. Stripe is perfect for receiving credit card payments, while PayPal is one of the more popular payment options in the digital world. It means you'll have no trouble getting paid for your products. On the dashboard, choose Payment Integration to link your Stripe and PayPal accounts. You'll need to log into each account and provide the required information. I have both connected my main Kajabi account, and this demo account is to show you the process of using Kajabi. So be sure to set up your payment integrations. Don't forget. Now that you've linked your payment methods to your Kajabi account, the next step is to create your website. You must create a professional-looking website that is consistent with your brand. But don't worry, with Kajabi's pre-made themes and templates, doing this step will be like a piece of cake. Believe me on that. Now, on the main menu, click on the website and then click Design. Kajabi will prompt you to pick a template to get started. Once you click on the Pick Template button, you'll find a variety of free templates you can choose from. The free templates are good if you ask me, but if you can't find anything that suits your brand, you can always go to the template marketplace. The price of the templates in the marketplace range from $97 to $797. A great web design can create a first good impression and increase your brand credibility. So, yeah, this is a very good investment. The template you choose will be the foundation of your website's design, but you can still change and customize it to your liking. You can change the logo, the fonts, and the colors. So if your brand color is green, you can adjust the colors of the design to match that. You can customize each section to make it your own. The Kajabi Site Builder will make it easy for you to personalize your site's pages. It has a drag and drop feature that allows you to move the different sections on the left side of the page. You can click on them to edit, and you can even select Add New Section if you feel like adding more content. Once your website's good to go, you can start creating and selling your products on Kajabi. Most entrepreneurs on this platform are selling memberships and online courses, but no need to fret because the possibilities here are endless. You can also market other digital products such as coaching, community access, podcasts, webinars, and even evergreen courses. If you ever feel like you're stuck on this step, don't worry, you're not alone, as creating your digital product can be a little overwhelming. Luckily, Kajabi has got you covered. It will provide you with the blueprints that will serve as your guide in the course or product creation process. And since Kajabi is big on streamlining, it'll give you access to customizable themes. On the dashboard, you can just click on the Create Product and then select the New Product button on the upper right-hand side of the platform. From there, you'll have four options: course, podcast, community, and coaching. Once you've picked the following options, just follow the prompt and enter the necessary information. Congratulations, you'll now start getting profits from your digital products. Now it's time to build your landing pages. If you're not familiar with what landing pages are, let me explain it to you real quick. Landing pages are standalone pages that have a single goal: to promote your products and services, to increase your subscribers, or to convert leads to sales. Always remember, a great landing page equals awesome conversion rates. And here's another good thing about Kajabi. It has several pre-made templates for every type of landing page you'll ever need. All of them are mobile responsive, high converting, and of course, as always, customizable. On the main menu, click on Website, then select Landing Pages, and from there you can choose templates. If you already have a design in mind, you can choose the blank option, which allows you to start from scratch. But if you feel like you need a little more help to create your landing pages, you can choose from the different template designs. Kajabi has hundreds of free landing pages and templates divided into 7 categories, which are sales, podcast, link in bio, thank you, opt-in, coming soon, and policies. You can customize these templates and add content like to a call to action. This one is really important in a landing page, texts, audio, and even videos. If you like, you can also add different pricing options that applies to you or countdown widgets to create a sense of urgency. You now have a product and a landing page, so what's next? Well, the only way to sell your digital products is to create an offer. With this Kajabi feature, you can create different bundles of your digital products and produce various pricing plans. For example, you can combine some of your products into one bundle and sell them at a discounted price for a limited time. Or maybe you can offer different price tiers for memberships. Another great idea is to offer your customers exclusive access to your community after purchasing a certain product from you. See how these offers can quickly turn your leads into sales. To create an offer, you just need to head over to the dashboard, click on the Sales tab, and choose Offers. Once you click Get Started, you'll be asked to create a title for your offer and pick the product or products you want to include in the offer from the drop-down menu. So, yeah, there's a reason why I made you create your products on Kajabi earlier in this video, as you can't use the Offers feature without creating a product first. You can set up the price for your offer and choose your payment type. You can create free offers, or you can create offers that would make your customers sign up for a subscription. It's also possible to set up your offers for one-time payments or multiple payments. If you're still unsure of the offer you've created, you can always change its status from published to draft and vice versa. This way, you can just edit what you started or modify your offers the way you like it. Once your offers are all set, you can copy the checkout link. Now, all right, what's next? Here's another reason why you'll love Kajabi even more. Efficient email marketing. I can't say that enough. Yes, you heard that right. Kajabi can help you get started with your email marketing campaigns. With its built-in email marketing tools and automation, you can create campaigns with high conversions. As an entrepreneur, email marketing is a very important step to building relationships with your target market. It can help you inform your prospects and leads and allow you to nurture your relationship with current and even past customers. Can you imagine manually sending out emails? That's very time-consuming work. And luckily with Kajabi, your business will be on complete autopilot. All you have to do is create your email campaigns in advance and automate everything. To start a new email campaign with Kajabi, go to your dashboard and open the Marketing tab. Select email campaigns from the new email campaign in the top right. From there, you'll be prompted to choose between email broadcast or email sequence. Now, what's the difference between the two? In email broadcast, you'll be sending a single email about something that would interest your audience. Its main goal is to share, announce, or promote something from your brand. Your email should be set up in advance, and you can specify the time or date you want to send the message. While in email sequence, which is a little bit different, you will need to set up a series of emails in advance. You can set up the trigger based on your audience behavior. The first email will be sent when they submit a form, join your online course, or sign up on your website. And since the email sequence is triggered by your audience behavior, the emails will be sent asynchronously based on the day they're triggered from your email sequence. For example, the first email in your email sequence is configured to be delivered soon after a customer signs up or submits a form. The second email will be sent the next day, the third on the subsequent day, and so forth. You can set the time interval between each email. You can configure the emails to be sent after an hour, days, or even months. But wait, we're not finished yet. We still need to design your email campaign. I mean, who says emails have to be boring? You can choose from 2 options on Kajabi. The first one is simple text, which can be compared to personal emails. This means no fancy buttons, images, or layouts. I guess the only way you can be fancy on this option is to use simple text modifications like italic and bold. This template will be very helpful if you want your audience to feel like you sent them a message from your personal computer and not an automated email service provider. However, if you want to be extra, engaging and eye-catching designs, then option 2 is better for you. Option 2 is all about HTML emails where you can include lots of things like buttons, images, logos, headlines, and banners. You can even match your HTML email design with the feel and look of your website. Now, that's a unique branding experience for you. Since HTML email campaigns come in various shapes and sizes, Kajabi made sure you have substantial templates to choose from. And at this moment, Kajabi has over 20 templates. Now it's time to seamlessly connect marketing to sales with the help of sales funnels. Funnels are powerful tools for your business because they can provide you with a visual representation of your buyer's journey. It also allows you to see each step of the sales process so you can determine if you need to make adjustments. Funnels can be found under the Marketing tab in the left menu. To build a new funnel, click on the New Funnel button in the top right corner of the page. Kajabi will provide you with a variety of funnel templates to choose from, including freebie, sales page, product launch, Zoom webinar, free book, coaching campaign, and simple sales page. These blueprints were created by experienced entrepreneurs, and each of the templates is tailored to different business needs. But if you feel a little extra creative, you can always select the blank template so you can start designing from scratch. Anyway, if you click on any one of these pre-made templates, a pop-up window will appear, and on top is a visual representation of what that template can create for you. It even comes with a video that will teach you how to use it. So yeah, even beginners can ace this funnel creation step with the help of the Kajabi video guide. Once you find the funnel that fits your business, just click on the Create Funnel button. Depending on the type of funnel you choose, you'll be asked to fill out several fields so the system will know what you'd like to be included in the funnel. After you successfully create the funnel, you'll be taken to the Overview page. Take note that each pre-made funnel creates different pages to meet your demands. For example, if you select the Zoom webinar funnel, it will begin with the registration page, prompting the audience to submit their name and email addresses. If you choose the coaching campaign funnel, it will start with the sales page. Your funnels can be connected to your email marketing campaign. For example, if someone has registered to your Zoom webinar, they'll be sent a confirmation email upon registration. And after that, they'll be sent a series of emails that you set up in advance. If you wish to add more pages to your sales funnel, you can simply click on the Add Page button. So if you hate all technical parts of marketing, the Kajabi funnels can make your life easier with all the automation that it offers. What's left to do is focus on your content. And speaking of content, the best way to rank higher on search engines such as Google is to create SEO blogs. With high quality blogs, you can expect an increase in visitors and hopefully a significant increase in your sales. Fortunately, Kajabi can also help you in setting up your blog. And what's even more awesome is you can connect your blog to your homepage or with other pages that you have. Sharing your knowledge and expertise through blogging can go a long way towards increasing traction for your business. To get started, navigate to the website tab and click on Blog. Hover your cursor in the upper right corner and select New Blog Post. And like everything else on Kajabi, your blog post can also be customized. You can modify your sharing information and even your SEO settings. You can add media to your blog post and set a publish date. The tags feature is also a very helpful tool as it can help you organize your blogs into categories. When you create a blog post on Kajabi, it will automatically create a blog post page on your website. This means you can customize the looks and feel of the blog page like any other standard website page. To help you convert your blog post audience to sales, you can include additional blocks on the blog post body, such as opt-in, image, and call to action. And always remember what Bill Gates said, content is king. So the success of your website depends on the quality of content that you have. I guess by now you've realized that the possibilities Kajabi platform are truly endless. When I first stumbled upon Kajabi, my mind was spinning with all the features I could try. I mean, who would want to get to try all those customizable templates? But enough of that. Let's get right back to business. Another step you want to do on Kajabi is to set up an affiliate marketing. With the help of this tool, you can increase your brand awareness and reach new audiences with the help of your affiliates. Setting up affiliate marketing on Kajabi is like a walk in the park. To do it, you just have to go to the Sales tab and select Affiliates. Once you're all set, you can track your affiliates' performance and automate commission payments for everyone. This way, you won't have to worry about the commission you need to send to your affiliates monthly. Unfortunately, they only offer the affiliate marketing program to growth and pro plans. And that's it. I've discussed everything you need to know on how to get started with Kajabi. There are still a lot more features to explore, but everything I included in this video will help you kickstart your business with the help of Kajabi. While this video serves as more of an overview than a tutorial, remember that my free course, Kajabi Jumpstart, awaits you, along with other valuable bonuses. Be sure to use the link in the description to access the course on your 30-day free trial. And yeah, if you find this beginner guide helpful, please like and subscribe for future tutorials and tips. Leave any relevant questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, have fun creating on Kajabi, and I'll see you on the inside.